Master Morya says that in future they are not going to say, hi, how are you, good morning, good night. They are going to say, rejoice. Don't worry. Be happy. Rejoice. What is that we are worrying? The worst thing will happen to you, you will die. Is there anything worse than that? Don't worry because you are going to come back. You'll be so happy. Did you see that movie Zorba the Greek? Hey, he said everything lost. You see. So what? Because attachment is the source of grief. Don't attach and don't make people attach. Always try to give them the advice that detachment leads you to life. Because at the time when you are dying, your attachment will kill you. You will have at least 8-9 hours suffering until you die. Because you are attached to positions, to money, to the banks, to this, to that, to that, to that. Be free. And that's what the Scorpio teaches.